my God.
Pink pills, drop through the trap door. Back room, red ropes is a little more. Cheap thrills, I got what you're looking for. You ain't seen nothing like this before. You ain't seen nothing like this before. You ain't seen nothing like this before. Come get real close, let me show you something.
Nung nag-meet kasi kami, parang, friends talaga na, na matagal ko na siyang kakilala, ganun.
Answered prayer kasi talagang binigay sa akin ng Lord si Jennifer Manalang as my wife. Hi, love. Today, I stand here with a heart full of gratitude, first and foremost to the Lord, who in His perfect time and grace brought you into my life. As we stand before our loved ones, we are not only exchanging promises with each other, but most importantly, we are making our vows as a commitment before the Lord. Love, it's been almost a year since we became partners, at sobrang saya ko na nakaabot tayo dito. In a short period of time ng tawanan, iyakan, tampuhan at tagumpay, I've learned so much about love and about us.
Today, I stand here with a heart full of gratitude and love. Hindi ko naakalain na yung tignan natin kung mag-work, eto na tayo, ikakasal na. Endgame pala talaga tayo. And today, I also hold on to this promise from the Lord. In Ecclesiastes 4 verse 12, a cord of 3 strands is not quickly broken. And today, I know that our marriage is not just you and me, but you, me, and God at the center of everything. Thank you, love, for everything that you are and everything that you do.
I love you so much. Hindi ka man umiyak sa bangko, at least tumawa ka. I will always love you today, tomorrow.
And with God as our foundation, I know our love will continue to grow, endure, and last a lifetime. Thank you, love. I love you so much.